Annyeong guys! Today I'm going to make kimchi fried rice. The ingredients needed are garlic, onion, chili, cooking oil, sesame oil, rice and salt. And of course, the star of the day, kimchi. And for the garnish, we need egg, cucumber and also ground pepper. Turn on heat and heat up a pan. Put in oil in the pan. Put in onion that has been sliced up into the pan. Fry them up. Next, put in garlic and fry them until brownish. Put in 1 bowl of rice. Next, put in kimchi, which is the main ingredient of this recipe and also its juices. Mix in all of the ingredients evenly until the rice turns red. The color will be beautifully red. Put in chili if you like it spicy. And also add on sesame oil and also a pinch of salt. Mix in for the last time until all the ingredients are distributed evenly. Next, let's do the basic frying egg. First, put in oil. Break 1 egg and put it in the pan. Put in ground pepper for seasoning. Flip on the egg so that it is cooked evenly on both sides. I am struggling to flip the egg. As for the garnish, I put on zucchini because of the crunchy texture. You can put any other vegetables that you like on top of the fried rice. Also, you can put in more kimchi on top of the fried rice. Lastly, put on the fried egg on top of the fried rice. And ta-da! It is done! Kimchi fried rice might sound unhealthy, but trust me, it is very healthy because of the main ingredient, which is kimchi. Kimchi has a lot of benefit and it is very healthy, and it is a good source of probiotic like Yakult, but with less sugar. So kimchi is very good for those who have problem with constipation, especially, or we call it as sembelit. So if you have problem with constipation, you should try kimchi. Kimchi is very rich in vitamins and minerals because it is made with vegetables or Chinese cabbage. And vitamins include vitamin A, B, C, and K, while mineral comprise of calcium, iron, phosphorus, and selenium. And surprisingly, kimchi is very low in calorie. So for one serving of kimchi fried rice, it's only 233 calories per serving. So it is a very healthy and low calorie food. So if you are planning to lose weight, so you should try kimchi. That's why we see all these Korean with shiny hair, with their younger looking face and very slim figure because of kimchi.